Guess the old school car I found today, guys. This absolute beast holds the legendary engine that marked the exact moment Toyota introduced the world-famous 1JZ platform to the legendary Supra line. Now, let's ride on. We are looking directly at the iconic 1990 Toyota Supra 2.5 GT twin-turbo R, known to car purists as the JZA70. This machine completely transformed the Grand Tourer landscape. Tucked perfectly under the sculpted hood is a 2.5-litre inline-six 1JZ GTE engine utilizing a heavy-duty parallel twin-turbocharger setup built into a virtually bulletproof cast iron block. On the tarmac, it delivers a factory-rated 280 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. When you step on the gas, you experience a beautiful flash of vintage turbo lag before the engine builds into a ferocious linear surge of pure acceleration. Mated to a heavy-duty 5-speed R154 manual transmission, the gear shifts feel incredibly physical and mechanical, giving you a satisfying, deeply deliberate connection to the drivetrain. When cruising open highways, this Grand Tourer balances its high-performance energy with a very respectable real-world fuel economy of 18 to 22 miles per gallon, making it an incredibly capable long-distance cruiser. Handling is where the Turbo R spec truly separates itself from lesser models. Upgraded from the factory with premium Bilstein suspension dampening and much stiffer anti-roll bars, the chassis maintains an exceptionally composed posture over road bumps and aggressive cornering. The speed-sensitive power steering makes steering responsiveness razor sharp, while a Torsen limited slip differential provides immense traction out of hard corners. Stopping confidence is equally high, managed by an advanced four-wheel ventilated disc brake layout with an early multi-channel anti-lock braking system that serves up predictable firm deceleration. Pop open the door, and the interior welcomes you with a masterclass in driver-centric ergonomics. You are immediately gripped by factory-optioned Recaro sport seats with aggressive side bolsters designed to keep your body locked down through tight turns. The driving position is low slung, perfectly placing your hands onto a premium thick 3-spoke Momo steering wheel. Visibility through the front windshield is expansive, though the dramatic, sloping fastback rear glass creates noticeable blind spots when checking your corners. The cabin material quality reflects premium late 80s Japanese craftsmanship using highly durable soft touch surfaces and rugged carpets. While highway cruising remains surprisingly quiet, the stiffer Bilstein setup and roaring exhaust make sure a healthy dose of raw mechanical melody enters the cabin. Infotainment here is purely analog, featuring an easy-to-read instrument cluster, a multi-speaker cassette deck, and mechanical climate control slider dials. There are absolutely no digital touchscreens, laggy menus, or voice controls to break the raw analog spell. On the practicality front, passenger space is incredibly generous for the front row. The rear seats adopt a classic 2x2 sports car layout, meaning they are tight for adults but perfect for extra gear. Cabin storage covers the essentials with a dedicated center console box and door pocket, skipping modern molded cup holders entirely. Pop the rear hatch, and the liftback design presents a massive, highly usable boot capacity with an exceptionally low load lip, making loading travel bags a breeze, especially since the rear seat backs fold completely flat. For safety, the Supra relies on its structural integrity, featuring reinforced side impact door beams and ABS. But it completely skips modern driver assistance tech like lane keeping assist or automated emergency braking. Reliability is backed by Toyota's legendary over-engineered track record with the 1JZ engine and R154 transmission, known worldwide for handling massive power on stock internals. Your primary maintenance will center on checking older vacuum lines, factory cooling systems, and replacing aged turbocharger seals. When it debuted in Japan, it commanded a premium price over base trims but offered an incredible performance value compared to European luxury options. In today's collector market, a verified JZA70 commands an average value between $20,000 and $35,000. because it passed its depreciation cycle decades ago. It serves as an exceptionally stable investment that steadily appreciates over time, supported by a massive global enthusiast community, making parts easy to source. To sum it up, the ultimate proofs are its legendary bulletproof twin-turbo powertrain, track-ready Bilstein handling, and aggressive, timeless aesthetics. The cons come down to its tight rear seating, rear blind spots, and a total lack of modern digital amenities. It is tailor-made for high-performance purists who crave the physical theater of an analog sports car. If you want a definitive piece of JDM history that delivers immense driving joy, the 1990 Twin Turbo R gets an absolute, uncompromising recommendation.